Understanding the phrase, drip pan, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, and it's a phrase that you might come across in different contexts. Drip pan. This may not be the most common phrase you'll hear in everyday English, but it's definitely a useful one to know. So, let's dive in and understand what drip pan means and how you can use it. A drip pan is a flat tray or container placed under a piece of machinery or a household appliance to catch any liquid that might drip down from it. This term is often used in automotive contexts to refer to a tray that catches oil or other fluids that may leak from a vehicle. However, it can also be found in households, particularly under refrigerators, air conditioning units, or even potted plants. Drip pans are crucial for preventing spills and leaks from damaging floors or other surfaces. They help in maintaining cleanliness and can also play a significant role in identifying potential issues with machinery or appliances. For example, if you notice an unusual amount of liquid in the drip pan under your car, it could indicate a leak, prompting you to take your vehicle to a mechanic. 1. I need to buy a new drip pan for my refrigerator. The old one is cracked. 2. Make sure to place a drip pan under the car engine to catch any oil that might leak out. 3. The drip pan under the air conditioner helps to prevent water damage to the floor. By using these sentences in your daily conversation, you can practice and familiarize yourself with the phrase, drip pan. And that's a wrap on today's topic, drip pan. We hope this video has helped clarify what a drip pan is and how you can use this term in your everyday English conversations. Remember, learning new phrases and terms is a great way to enhance your language skills. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.